fast activity, quiz, game, activity, quiz, whatever. With and, so, because, and but. Okay? And, because, but. Remember these things? Okay. Let me put you here. Ok, so. Se houver ou outro que não reconheças, that's all good, no worries. Ready? So. I was late for class this morning. The bus was late. Any questions? Algumas questões? Às vezes é preciso perguntar uma coisa sobre o vocabulário ou assim. Well, and because are very different words, are two different words. Because, you think because is correct. Let's see. Congratulations. It's raining outside. You should bring an umbrella. Está a chover lá fora, mas tu deves trazer um guarda-chuva. Maybe this one is a bit more difficult. Maybe this one is a... O so também é. And what does so mean? Sabes o que é que o so quer dizer? Pois. Pois não, então, é mais tipo aquela ideia de ou por isso, se calhar é melhor por isso, ainda é melhor o so. Por isso, so, not do, so, yes. Let's see. There you go. Perfect. I always go home early. Then I watch TV for half an hour. Está aqui as tuas horas. O que é que quer dizer half an hour? Sabes? Half é metade. E quanto é... Exactly. 30 minutes, half an hour. Exactly. Perfect. Early. Cedo. Perfect. Não sei se faz muito sentido. Eu vou cedo para casa porque depois vejo televisão meia hora. Tens que ver o que é que cada uma quer dizer in your head. e ver se faz sentido. So then I watch TV for half an hour. Could be. Também não sei se faz grande sentido aqui o but. So, and then I watch TV for half an hour. Let's see. And let's see what happens. There you go. You had an and. Tom was hungry. He didn't eat breakfast. And what is hungry? You don't know what hungry is. Look at the image. What do you think? Tom is hungry. Tom is the dog. Tom is the dog, yes. What does the image say? What does it show? E ele tá o quê? Yes, he is hungry. That's why you have the image, right? Because he didn't eat breakfast.